Hi beauties and cuties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing an everyday brown boy friendly makeup routine because as you may not have noticed, your favorite internet gunkle is a brown boy, and I want to share with you guys some of my favorite new products that I got, some from PR and some that I just bought and just love. I'm gonna put on my black cat ears. Everyday makeup should always look nourished, it should look hydrated, it should look refreshed. And to have that makeup, you need to have good skin prep. So before we even begin putting on makeup, I'm going to start off with priming my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is my favorite hydrating primer because the consistency is very gel-like, it's light, and I'm just really a fan of the ingredients they put into their products. It's very vegan friendly. Now that my skin is all primed, I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. This product is actually one of my newest faves. I also got it as a gift in PR and smells amazing. And niacinamide is one of my favorite ingredients because it really soothes the skin. And also this one smells like watermelon, and that's one of my favorites. And I really like getting it under the under eye areas. I like to bring it down to the neck. This feels actually really nice. Wow. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of Josie Maran's 100% argan oil. This allows my foundation and everything, especially like concealer and everything, to really just work with my skin and be flexible, especially throughout the day. We're gonna be talking, we're gonna be eating, we're gonna be doing things with our face. So you really want your makeup to work with you and be flexible. Oh my god, there's a cat. Oh my god, that was so cute. There's a little cat that climbed the fence. Okay, so this is one product I have not used in a minute. Like, it's been a long time, but it is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation from NARS, and I'm in the shade Barcelona, right? That's how you, Barcelona. For my skin type, I'm more on the light medium side. Oh wow, I forgot how watery this. Do you see that consistency? Oh my god, I think I'm putting too much. I'm more on the light medium side, more beigey skin tone. I do have a olive undertone for my skin. Once you know your undertone, you will get the perfect match, because when I first started doing makeup, I thought I was a warm babe. I thought I was part of the warm family, and oh my god, I used to wear warmer foundations which are more yellowy. So back in those days, those dark days, I would literally show up in pictures and I would look yellow. But when I discovered my undertone was more olive and beige, oh my gosh, that's when the foundation just blended really good with the skin. And what I love about this foundation is that it's kind of like a serum texture. It kind of has this like, it's very lightweight for sure. It has this lightweight serum-y texture to it. Like, I think it really lives up to its name in the sense that it's a weightless product. I feel like I would love to try a serum skin tint. So comment down below if you know some good brands that have serum skin tints, because I really just love the weightlessness. Ooh, bonus points if it has SPF, baby. This has been my go-to for the past like 4 or 5 get ready with me videos, but it is the Hydrating Camo Concealer by e.l.f. A little goes a long way with this, and I love it. I feel like with under eyes, especially every day, you just want to go light. Just go light with it, babes. And earlier when I was applying my foundation, I made sure not to put so much foundation under the eyes. I left space under the eyes so that the concealer can do its full magic. Because when you just put layer after layer after layer, that tends to crease up under the eyes. So you really just want to make sure that your under eyes don't crease up. And this blends like a dream. And it's very flexible. And it's very cheap. I think this is like $8. Comment down below if you know the price for the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. But the price point is very low for this kind of quality, okay? So next we're gonna contour. I'm gonna do a little contour, and I'm using the Rare Beauty Happy Soul Bronzer Stick. Love this. This is the definition of a buttery product, let me tell you, because look how easy this glides. I did not add any weight to my hands. However, it just delivers. Oh, it's just so soft. Like, the texture is very like fudgy, like warm fudge. And that's something that, like for example, the Fenty contour stick, which I love too, it takes a little while for it to warm up. Like, you have to warm it up on your hand for it to be buttery. However, with this, it's just instant buttery. You don't have to do all this for an everyday routine. However, it just kind of spruces everything up, kind of makes everything a little special. So this adds, once it blends out, and it blends out like a dream, it adds the right warmth to the skin. Okay, so we're done with the bronzing, haha. Now I'm gonna go in with brows. And I'm going in with another Rare Beauty product, and this is their Brow Harmony in Deep Brown. So what I love about this is it has a pencil, but it also comes with a brow gel. And we're gonna start with the brow gel part, because since it's an everyday look, I want my brows to look fluffed and brushed up naturally. Sometimes, on a very good day, I just use this brow gel, and then I leave it as it is. So possibly, if things go right, I will probably just use this brow gel. It complements my natural brow hair color so well, and it just like brushes my hairs like so effortlessly. I do love keeping my brow hairs looking like brow hairs. I don't like it to look too outlined. You want that effortless kind of look when it's an everyday look, you know? But hey, who am I to say that your everyday look should look effortless? Maybe your everyday is glam, 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 and that is no problem. Like, do you at the end of the day. Oh my god, there's this little hair that has been sticking out. Next, I'm going to use this new product that I got. It's from Ilia. It's their eyeshadow sticks. This is in the shade, what is the shade? Relic. This is in the shade Relic. So this is the color, and I'm just gonna dab, I'm lightly dabbing. I feel like we have just a natural shadow around our eyes. Well, most of us, I feel, have a natural shadow around our eyes. And so I just want to complement that shadow with this deeper brown, and I'm just buffing it in with my fingers. And sometimes, you know, the best tool you have is your fingers, because for one, your fingers can warm up the products and blend the products more easily than any brush or beauty blender out there. And it feels like a massage, honestly, like blah, 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 blah. But yeah, I feel like that added a good kind of shadow to my eyes. Yeah, I'm into it. Okay, so next I'm using this Colourpop cream gel liner. This is a brown gel liner from the Avatar The Last Airbender collection. I got this in PR. One of my favorite brown liners. And I feel like I want to do a little brown liner, because brown liner is very natural. When you use brown liner, it kind of accentuates the outline of your eye in a very subtle way, if that makes sense. You'll see. See that like subtle lift? But it doesn't look obvious like if you were to use black eyeliner. I want to get more into brown eyeliner, so let me know some of your favorite brands. I just think it looks chic. I think it looks classy. You see that difference in the eye? Like, are you kidding me? Look at that. Look at this. Wow. The eyes are just very lifted, very naturally. So, love it. Moving on. So I'm using the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I also got this in PR very recently, this past weekend. No scent, but wow, these bristles are very sharp. Gonna do a little of that. Just dab in, get some product in there, and let's see what happens. See, for me with mascaras, so I have Asian eyelashes which go straight. So I've had the struggle of finding some really good mascaras. It's been truly trial and error because some mascaras just, they add volume, but it doesn't add the lift. So it ends up smearing on my under eyes, and that's like one of the most embarrassing things is when you are walking around and you just don't know that your mascara is all smeared. Mascaras just have given me PTSD. This one off the bat though, it's pretty good. I mean, it is doing the lift. It's nothing insane though, but it is very good for everyday looks. Like, I'm not mad at it. Oh my god, my lips are so chapped. So off camera, I'm going to add some individual lashes, but that's gonna take a little while. So I'm gonna do that off camera, but I'll be right back, okay? Finally, off camera, I put on some individual lashes, lifting up my eyes. So now let's just wrap this baby up. It took me quite a while, actually not too long, but like I almost forgot I was filming a get ready with me. So yeah, I'm back. So next we're gonna do some blush, and I'm gonna mix these two babies. I'm gonna mix Bliss from Rare Beauty and Angel Energy, the cream blush from Colourpop. So I'm gonna start off with Rare Beauty. This one is a mattifying blush, but it's in liquid form, which is really cool. So I'm just gonna take just that much, 2 dots on each cheek, and then I'm just gonna buff it in first with my fingers. I know, bear with me. So I kind of want to like smile when I do these. Okay, and then next I'm gonna take my beauty blender just to blend the edges out, you know? So Bliss, this is such a beautiful color, honestly. If you want a little kiss of glow, especially if you're on the more light medium side with an olive undertone, this will give your skin just a kiss of color, which is really nice. It's not too dramatic though, so I don't think I would wear this on like special occasions. I feel like this is just, it could build up though for a more dramatic look. So that's why I'm using this as a first layer, because then I'm gonna go in with Angel Energy. This one has a nice pink, and I also love the formula. So I'm gonna just add these dots all around here, and then I'm gonna buff it in first with my fingers. So it kind of gives my face a little gradient. I think blush adds a really good amount of life back into the skin. It really injects color back into the skin. So if you want to look alive, blush is the way to go. To top off the look, I haven't used this in a minute. I hope it's still good. It's the Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops. This was so hyped before, but I've had this for years, hence the crack on the bottle. I'm just gonna use just a little bit of it though. And I mean, it really just, it gleams and glows on your skin. However, I just want to just touch up the skin with this product to just really give it a natural glow. So I'm just gonna blend with my beauty blender this product in. And yeah, that just gives it a nice little glowy sheen to it. Remember that era though of makeup when we had like streaks of highlighter on our cheeks? Those are the fun days. I love my highlights, so. To officially wrap up the video as well, I need to add some powder to some parts. For everything to look more cohesive and blended out. I'm just gonna add just a little powder. And I'm using the Maybelline powder in the shade 3.5, I think. And finally, I'm going to use this Caudalie Beauty Elixir, this little bottle. I have like 2 of these little bottles, and then I have a big bottle of this. So I have a lot of these caudalie sprays. Oh, hello. Okay. Oh. Are you good? Okay. Something's wrong with the spritzer, but it's fine. We made it work. Okay, here is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe. Why am I glitching? Hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you all in the next video. XOXO, Michael Pepito.